Oh, hey! This is for you. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks. I know what'll really impress her. A massive chocolate bar. Ah! Whoa! Never mind the flower, I want that. Hey! This is mine. I want it. Hand it over. What? Where are we? This is crazy! Nice! Are we ready for this? Oh, yeah. Huh? A light bulb? But why? Let me think. Mine doesn't look like yours. It's heavy, too. How peculiar. Wait. No way. Is it? It's solid chocolate. Delicious. I'm into it. Wow. Is mine chocolate, too? Let's see. Whoa! Did you see that? I'm electric? I guess. Cool. Let there be light. This is fun. Wait, my turn. Nothing's happening. That's not fair. I want to be electric, too. I have an idea. Maybe if we connect? Oh, boy! Hey! You're ruining my electric current! Are you okay? Stop it! I can't! It's happening! Whew! That took a lot out of me. I feel so lightheaded. Oh, boy. Ooh, that was bad. But if you're not gonna eat your chocolate, I will. It'll wear off. I know. Hey! Huh? Wanna play? Definitely. Let's wrestle! You're going down! Come on. You can't win. I got you. Huh. Me first. Ta-da! What are these? Chocolate eggs? Check it out! Wow! What did I get? Huh? Real eggs? No fair! That stinks for you! Mine smell quite nice. Yum! Oh no! There's still eggs inside. Gross! I've been tricked!
Ew. Yuck.
I can't believe it.
What?
That was pretty bad. It's still in your teeth. Eek! I want my fangs back. There, much better. Whew. See? Hilarious.
Hey!
Stop laughing. You eat it. Really? Fine. Whoa! Turns out mine's the chocolate one. Yum! Didn't see that coming. I'm not happy! Ha! I want chocolate too! You hear that? Huh? I'm out of here! Who has my eggs? Come back! Is anybody there? Hello? Ah! What do you want? These! Gah! Bats don't eat eggs, sorry. I know. Huh? Who's there? Just a little switcheroo. Hey, over here! Shall we open them? Oh, I guess. Let's do it. This is pretty cool. It's my favorite color, too. Nice. Wow! Do I have one, too? Wow! This is awesome! Check it out! That's cooler than mine. Smells pretty tasty, though. Like chocolate, in fact. Now that's creamy. I'm not mad anymore. Look at this puppy ride. Woohoo! So smooth. Did you see that? So awesome. All this riding has me hungry. That chocolate's looking pretty good. Hey, over here! Wanna swap? Pretty, please. I'm starved. Ew. Nah, I'll pass. I won't forget this. Take that! Ow! That really hurt! Ouch! Ah! Score! It's mine now. Yum! My elbow! Where's my chocolate? It's gone! Who took it from me? You. Don't look at me! I'll get you back for this. I'm sorry. Jeez. What's this? Me first. Okay? Fine. Let's do it. Looks like it's snack time. I love me some potato chips. And lots of dip. Wow. Awesome. So yummy. These are really good. I need more. Such a messy eater. I can't hear you. What? Whoa, I'm sorry, okay? Delightful. You gonna open that? Do you want me to open that? I'm scared. Oh, just look at this beauty. Think it's solid chocolate? Don't touch! Whatever. I have chips. It's my turn to eat now. Wait, what's that? That potato took my fangs right out. My smile's so weak now. You can say that again. I don't want it. Not without a little change. There. Now we're talking. Chocolate fries. Can you believe it? Not bad. I like it. But it needs something. Hold on. Come on. And? Wow! Chocolate potato chips! Seriously? But how? Magic! Hey! Ooh, I see you. Cheers to chips! Mine! Easy there. I'm done being mysterious. It's time to eat. I think she's off. Oh, Megan? I must have fallen asleep. Howdy. It's time. Wow. What do I do with them? Beats me. What do I do with mine? This is huge. Hello? Anyone? I don't get it. Huh? No way. It's chocolate? It's pretty good. Yummy. I want another one, see? Hello? Anybody home? What? I can eat mine. Creamy. What? Oh, it's edible? Gah! Oh no! Ouch! That had to hurt. Ouch! I lost them all. My precious teeth. All gone in one bite. Oh no! I'll get them. These are all of your teeth! Now what am I gonna do? Nope, they're mine now. Okay. Anything in there? What's that? Look it! Whoa! What do you think it is? Want to find out? Gah! It's terrible! Say it isn't so. Make it stop! You stop! But this is the best, baby! What? Okay. I'm going in. Oh, gross! See that?
Wow!
Cool! Bat chocolates! Want some? Oh man, I have nothing! Hey, don't cry. It'll be okay. Watch! Turn from bats to Skittles. Here you go, just for you. Nice. Megan, eat up. Huh? Oh, wow. Don't mind if I do. These are good. Way better than bat chocolates. Nice. Which chocolates were your favorite? Tell us in the comments and share this video.